Sure, Vidya. Listen carefully. Promissory note. A promissory note is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of certain person or to the bearer of the instrument, according to Section 4 of NI Act. Further, bill of exchange. According to Section 5 of NI Act, a bill of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. Then, check. According to Section 6 of NI Act, a check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand. Or to put it simply, a check is a bill of exchange which is always drawn on a banker specified therein and payable on demand. I'll teach you more about checks.
Okay, Baba. Please tell me how transfer of negotiable instrument takes place.
Vidya, there are two parts to the word. 1. Negotiable. 2. Instrument. Negotiable means that it can be transferred to other person by negotiation or in lieu of cash or some other consideration in kind. Instrument means it is an instrument for payment, as a blade is an instrument for cutting something. Both words combine. A negotiable instrument is an instrument for transfer of payment which can be done by negotiation in lieu of cash or some other consideration in kind. For example, when you pay somebody with a check, you are not giving him money, but you wish to transfer the payment to the recipient in a particular manner, and the check becomes the instrument to effect the transfer. The recipient may negotiate it further or transfer it to another person, so it is a negotiable instrument. I repeat, a negotiable instrument may be transferred to other person in lieu of cash or any other consideration by negotiation. The process of such transfer is called negotiation. Negotiation can be effected by: number 1, mere delivery if the instrument is a bearer one, for example, a bearer check. Number 2, by endorsement and delivery in case it is an order instrument. An order instrument means instrument payable to a specified person or to the order of that specified person.
What are endorsement, endorser? You have used these terms many times before.
Vidya, according to Section 15 of the NI Act, an endorsement is when the maker or holder of a negotiable instrument signs the same otherwise than as such marker for the purpose of negotiation on the back or face thereof or a slip of paper annexed thereto. He is said to endorse the same and is called the endorser. The person to whom the instrument is endorsed is called the endorsee. The word endorsement is said to have derived from Latin en, means upon, and dorsum, meaning the back. Thus, usually the endorsement is on the back of the instrument, though it may be even on the face of it. Where no space is left on the instrument, the endorsement may be made on a slip of paper attached to it. Dorsal, dormant, etc. are other common words made from dorsum. Payment instruments in India. A. Currency is an important means of payment in India, with 19% of M3 represented by currency, as against its share of 6 to 7% in advanced countries.